Modern air conditioning was invented in 1902 to solve a printing problem, not a comfort problem, and it accidentally restructured American civilization. Air Conditioning Appreciation Day starts July 3. Willis Carrier designed the first modern AC system for a Brooklyn printing plant where humidity was warping paper and misaligning ink. He controlled both temperature and moisture. By the 1950s, residential air conditioning had transformed American housing patterns, enabling cities like Houston, Phoenix, and Las Vegas to grow into major population centers that would have been unlivable at scale in summer heat without it. The Sunbelt, as a demographic fact, is an air conditioning invention. What would you not be able to do without it? Today is a legitimately good day to clean your filters. A unit running through dirty filters works harder, costs more to run, and fails earlier. 5 minutes now saves real money before September. Share this with whoever you live with. Clean the filters together. This is the most practical holiday in July.